this is the chamber who has 750,000 cubic meter of carbon dioxide inside at roughly 2.25% higher than the ambient pressure to keep a positive pressure. So the whole thing is made of a tantalum material, DuPont, 30 years. This gets the steel pipe with the polymer coating, anti-rust for 30 years as well. So the whole thing is where all you store the carbon dioxide. This is the storage tank for all the liquid carbon dioxide. The pressure is 7 times the atmosphere pressure, roughly about 100 psi. Storage tank for the cooling water. Right now, this factory is using cooling oil, but eventually they're going to change the water. So this is all a storage tank for water, and it's stainless steel, and this tank will last 30 years. Is the turbine, which will generate the electricity, because it is operated under 300 Celsius, so we need a protection the shield outside for the regulation. This is a 10 megawatts output factory. For 100 megawatts, it's not 10 times larger. It's roughly about between 2 to 3 times larger. Data center, basically, an operator will monitor everything operating in the factory. If there's something showing a logo out of range, then they will reflect it to the foreman or the plant manager, then they will inspect and correct it right away. So this is more like a control room, which will exist in every CO2 operation in the United States in the future.